Hello YouTube, Drone Die here with another unboxing video. Today we have the Sharper Image DX-4 HD video streaming drone. Stream live HD video to your smartphone, share it online. We got the autopilot DX-4, auto landing, it's got your flips, auto takeoff, auto orientation, auto hover, and 3-speed control. Side here shows streaming HD video and still shot camera, 6-axis gyro, multi-direction remote, flip, recharge, 450-degree range, smooth hovering performance, 4 LED lights. Check out the back here. Removable blade guards, extra blades, flips. There's your features. Fly up down, HD panoramic video recording with still shot photo. No FAA registration required. Long lasting battery. Get this opened up for you. Here we have the user manual. Remote takes 6 AAAs. Comes with charger, controller, drone, smartphone mount, and 4 replacement blades. The app it uses is 360 Flight. That's what all the buttons do. The controller, basic Sharper Image controller here. Got your 3 pitch rates, direction trims, auto takeoff, auto land, stunt button. These don't do anything. Some batteries for that. Giant prop guard. So just like the DX1 and DX2, it's a lot larger. There's the camera on the front. You can adjust how you want it. White on the front, red on the bottom. So, micro USB hole. Here is your cell phone mount. There we go. Put your phone in there and you can watch the camera from that. And your 4 props, USB charger. Pretty excited to get this one out and flying. Looks like it'll be a great drone. Hopefully it keeps up to what it says with the auto hover. So this has been my unboxing video of the Sharper Image DX4. I'm gonna fly it for a bit and give you guys a full review and flight video for it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.